Hey guys, a couple of weeks ago I purchased the kick-ass shower awning. Haven't had a chance to use it yet. I wanted to give you a quick rundown now and show you how easy it is to set up and use. Watch this. In seconds, open it up, drop it down, open out the arms, pull the poles at the bottom out, peg it down, set your height, shower tent's ready to go. Right, now that it's all pegged down and I've set the height I want, let's go around and have a look at it. Now you'll notice the zip is on the inside there. Ease of use, probably would be easier if the zip was on the outside, but it's still okay. Let's go have a look inside it. Rightio, you'll notice you've got shampoo holders here and shampoo holders around the other side, so you've got plenty of storage room for your soaps and everything else. And up the top here you have a Velcro strap where you can put your shower head on, and also each one of these arms has its own locking arm, so you know it's not going to go anywhere. Mounting the shower tent is very simple. You can see it comes with these L-shaped brackets and the slides. So it's just like a normal awning. You can slide it along and mount it anywhere on your roof racks or roof cage. Not only is this a great looking shower tent, but it's also going to come in handy for us. We can use it as a toilet or a change room. We've always set up in the past a separate shower tent, but that gets quite annoying. It doesn't hold up in strong winds, or sometimes we forget it. This is always with us and sets up in seconds, whereas the other thing takes like 10 minutes and is very frustrating, especially trying to set up in any kind of wind at all. Just wants to blow away on you. Yeah, I think for 200 bucks, it's a third of the price of pretty much most things on the market. You won't beat it, and I think the quality is fantastic. I would highly recommend this kick-ass shower awning.